Welcome, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. And guess what time it is? It's time to unbox the February 2026 Sew Sampler Box by Fat Quarter Shop. I hope you'll join me. Welcome back, you guys. I'm so grateful you decided to join me on the unboxing of the February 2026 Sew Sampler Box by the Fat Quarter Shop. Finally. It's the middle of March and I still haven't unboxed this. I was kind of busy doing some other things. I was on a little downtime doing a trip to the Home and Houseware Show looking for new vendors for my online store I told you guys about. So excited. With that being said, I want to give you a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart. All the support and love on my last video, my top 10 favorite tools for quilting that save time and frustration. You guys, I love engagement. I love it when you make comments and ask me questions and share with me your favorite tools. It has been so much fun. I've been enjoying it so much, and I just want to thank you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm so excited to have you here. This is the Quilting Camper. We have fun with quilting, unboxings like the Sew Sampler Box, cool tools, techniques, photography adventures, camping trips where I quilt. Hopefully this summer we'll have a couple lined up. Just a fun place to gather and share. We're all about sharing kindness here at the Quilting Camper. So remember, if you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and don't forget to leave comments. I always love to hear from you. Okay. Without any further ado, let's get to the unboxing of the Sew Sampler Box for February 2026. You know, I'm doing it upside down. That's a built-in blooper. Sorry, Fat Quarter Shop, I love you guys. It's right side up now. Let's see what the theme is. Milk and Meadows, February 2026. Interesting. I wonder what's inside. I don't know if you guys remember, but last February 2025, Fat Quarter Shop surprised us with an awesome tool. It was the Olfa retractable 45mm rotary cutter. Love this. So I'm wondering if there's something in this box that's similar. I know, we'll find out, won't we? So with every Sew Sampler Box, we usually get a special discount promo that's exclusive to people who subscribe to this box. Let's see what that is. Cool. We get 15% off layer cakes. That's a really good discount, especially on a layer cake, which is one of my favorite cuts, by the way. You can make a whole quilt top with that. There is also this super cute sew along with Lori Holt. It is so adorable. I mean, look at how cute that is. You guys, you gotta subscribe to this box. There are just so many perks in here. And of course, this is a public pattern. Anybody can choose to load that pattern up and use it, which is really cool too. So I already can tell this is gonna be a Lori Holt box. We love Lori Holt. She is so amazing. She brings a lot of classical quilting in a modern flair, and I love it. So let's see. What's the first item, you guys? Oh, isn't that cute? This is the 1.5-inch, 2.5-inch ruler by Creative Grids. It's a value of $9.49. Say hello to the Creative Grids 1.5-inch by 2.5-inch quilt ruler, a small but steady companion for peaceful sewing days. Its clear acrylic body and crisp black markings make measuring and trimming feel simple and precise. A handy 45-degree line keeps angles tidy, while the signature gripper backing helps fabric securely to prevent slipping and miscuts. It's especially handy for working with the small pieces in the 6-inch vintage Milkmaid Star Quilt Block foundation paper, gliding smoothly when guided and staying put when it matters most. I think it's hysterical that we get this cute little tiny ruler with such a ginormous description. Okay. It's cute. And there is some foundation paper piecing in here, which is really awesome. You know, that's totally my shtick. What's nice about getting these rulers in these boxes, I don't have to buy them. It is a value of almost $10 for this little tiny piece of acrylic. And I am one of those people that loves Creative Grids. I think they're the best rulers on the market. I'm sorry, you guys, I know there's a lot of you out there that disagree, but it's just what I know and it's what I've become familiar with, and I love them. I'm grateful to have this in the box. I wouldn't normally buy it, but I know I'll be using it. So I guess you can guess what the next item is gonna be. It's neat when we get tools that we can use in the box with the projects that we're given. 6-inch vintage Milkmaid Star quilt block foundation paper, a value of $13.98. This charming little star comes straight from the heart of the countryside, a revival of a beloved vintage block. The 6-inch vintage Milkmaid Star quilt block foundation paper brings a calming sense of comfort to your sewing. Think sunny afternoons, simple pleasures, and creativity humming along happily, just like your sewing machine, right? That buzz totally gets you going. I totally feel it. These foundation papers make piecing feel relaxed, approachable, so you can focus on those sweet fabrics and enjoying the process. You know, in my favorite tools video, I think I featured a couple things in that video that can be used for foundation paper piecing, like the add a 1/4-inch ruler, which I think I have right here. So these are 2 tools that I shared in my top 10 tools that save time and frustration. One is the add a 1/4-inch ruler, and the other one is the Sew Line glue pen. Now, if I could find it, it would also be the It's So Emma Lori Holt seam roller. That would be one that I would use for foundation paper piecing as well. It's somewhere here, I promise. One of these days you'll see it. It'll just appear. If not, I'm buying another one. The other foundation paper piecing product we get in these boxes are usually triangles on a roll, which is also made by It's So Emma, which is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Great products. These make your quilt points match perfectly, and that's what we love, especially when you're dealing with bias on the diagonal. This stuff makes your quilting so much easier, and it makes you want to make more. That's what's cool about it. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. I always love getting these papers. What a great value to this box, and something I can use this ruler for. Now, the next item in this box, it's not a rotary cutter, but I have one. I have several, actually. It's something that you need to keep that rotary cutter working well and through your fabric smoothly. There's nothing worse than having a dull blade on your rotary cutter. It makes cutting a nightmare, okay? So, the next best thing to having a rotary cutter is the best blade. This is the Ulfa Endurance 45mm rotary blade, a value of $13.48. Like slicing butter on a farmhouse table, the Ulfa Endurance 45mm rotary blade makes cutting feel smooth and satisfying. Crafted from specially quality steel, these blades stay sharp longer and glide effortlessly through cotton, wool, paper, and more. Designed to last up twice as long as standard blades, it delivers clean, confident cuts while reducing drag, slipping, and miscuts along the way. It fits all Ulfa 45mm rotary cutters and lets you enjoy the simple pleasures of a job well done. Amen. So you know, one of my top 10 tools that save time and frustration is the rotary cutter. My favorite one in green. I haven't opened it yet because I have this one and I also have a splash ruler in turquoise, but I will be opening this one eventually. This is one of the best. This was featured in my last video. In order to keep that running well, you need to have an endurance blade. I know you can buy Ulfa refill blades for half the cost of these, but wouldn't it be nice to have something that just keeps going longer? Whenever you're cutting through batting or heavier materials, or if you ever have to cut through some other synthetic materials, this will help make that blade last a lot longer so you don't have to keep replacing the single one. These are the best. As a subscriber to the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler boxes, we get one of these at least once a year in these boxes. Sometimes we get them twice a year. It just depends. And what I love about that, it just tells me that Fat Quarter Shop really cares about my quilting journey, because having a sharp blade and cutting makes everything easier. I just really am grateful for this box. I love Fat Quarter Shop. There's not much I can say about them. They're the best and the best. Grateful to have that in my box. Sadly, the flowering quilt along is coming to an end next month. That is the Quilt As You Go. That's exclusive to the Sew Sampler boxes. However, you can still download these patterns from Fat Quarter Shop's website as long as they're still available, and they're $4.98. Block number 11. This month's flowering quilt block is ready to bloom. Let your creativity run wild as the sampler quilt sprouts into a true forget-me-not stitch by stitch. If you missed one, all flowering block patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop. For March, we will have the 12th block plus the finishing kit pattern, which is really awesome to have. So you can then make the whole quilt. If there's any one thing about the Sew Sampler box that's really unique about it, is that you can do a block every month with this box, and at the end of the year, build a quilt. That is so cool. I love the concept. Out of all the other projects in here, you still have that. adds value to this box? Well, the next item is the pattern in this box. And of course, it's going to share the fabric in this box, which is stellar, you guys. The fabric in this box is so awesome. Now, just so you guys know, this pattern is exclusive to these Sew Sampler boxes, and you cannot find it on Lori Holt's website or on Fat Quarter Shop's website. You can only get it in the boxes. You can always try the Sew Sampler box swap. A lot of people will post their patterns there. I believe it's on Facebook. Butter Churn Table Runner Pattern by Lori Holt for Fat Quarter Shop, a value of $9.98. The Butter Churn Table Runner pattern brings warm, fresh charm to your sewing space. Inspired by the simple beauty of days gone by, vintage Milkmaid star blocks are arranged into a cheerful table runner that feels right at home beside fresh flowers, baked bread, and morning sunshine. Thoughtfully pieced and full of cozy detail, Lori Holt's Butter Churn Table Runner finishes at 16.5 by 28.5, making it just right for a small table, sideboard, or sewing nook. You know, this really isn't my style, but the more I kept looking at it, it's just so joyful. There's just something about it. It has this charm to it that really excites me. And the fact that you have the tools in here to make this table runner, along with this foundation paper piecing pack, the Creative Grids ruler, and you're definitely gonna need the blade to cut all that fabric. And then the fabric that's in this box, it kind of makes me feel like this whole box is for this table runner. And as usual with the patterns, you do get all the things you need for binding, background, and backing fabric. So if you need to find out that, just check your local quilt shop or go to Fat Quarter Shop and find out there. Also, there is some rickrack. I love the accessories that Lori Holt has. I actually would love to carry her products in my online store. I just love her accessories. But this rickrack is built into the binding. It's kind of cool. If you look closely, you can see this little wavy line. I just love texture in sewing. That's one of my favorite things, just to add interest to a piece. It just makes it that much more cozy. Okay, let's check out the fabric. You guys, I love Riley Blake fabric. I know I say I love Moda, but Riley Blake, I just love how soft it is. And I love the fact that they are exclusive to Lori Holt. Lori Holt's kind of one of those quilters that if you've never met her, you know of her design aesthetic because it reminds you of traditional classic quilting with a modern edge. And that's what I love about her so much. Butter Churn Farmer's Daughter Junior 10-inch Stacker by Lori Holt for Riley Blake Designs, a value of $24.98. It's a good deal. Wander through a sweet country daydream with Lori Holt. The Butter Churn Farmer's Daughter Junior 10-inch Stacker feels like early mornings at the barn and sunny afternoons in the blooming fields. Soft florals, playful hens, and a warm vintage palette brings each print to life with plenty of nostalgic charm. These 24 bright fabrics are lovely for quilts, table runners, and of course, the Butter Churn quilt pattern by Lori Holt in this month's box. Yay! Now this isn't a full layer cake, it's a half. And I'm so sorry you guys, Riley Blake calls this a 10-inch stacker, Moda calls them layer cakes. It's just that we get so caught up in our verbiage, just like people call a regular plastic container Tupperware, and because I'm a Tupperware consultant, I would correct them. I am so sorry that I keep saying layer cake. It is a 10-inch stacker by Riley Blake Design. Beautiful fabric. And yes, there are some cute little hens in there, you guys. Look at how cute those are. So I'm gonna show you the colors right here and enjoy. Aren't those colors awesome? Those vintage colors with those cute prints just inspire so much creativity and warmth. That's what I love about Lori Holt. Well, you guys, before we wrap up and tell you the value of this month's box, I want to remind you guys I pay for all my boxes from the Fat Quarter Shop. I subscribe to Sew Sampler every month. I even told you guys I thought about stopping last year for this year, but I'm going to continue moving it forward. And that's because I'm hoping someday that I will be able to do giveaways on this channel. And by doing so, I need so many more subscribers and so many more watch hours in order to get there. And I'm getting really close. So keep sharing my content. Make sure you check out my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. Find out what is going on in the world that I live in. And hopefully you can share me things that are going on in your world as well. That's what this is all about, cultivating a community. And this box was valued at $76.90. I saved over $40 on this box. That included my tax and shipping. With every box, you always get a nice leaflet. That's where I get to read the descriptions from for you guys, so you know what they're saying and what they're all about. But it's really nice because I always show this to you upside down, and that's how Scott does it here on the Quilting Camper. I'm gonna leave that blooper in there. There you go. It's a really great leaflet that they put together. It's done so well. Can you imagine curating a box like this every month for customers? I just can't. It is so well done. I love Fat Quarter Shop. They just do everything right. And the Sew Sampler box is bar none the best subscription box for quilting. So what do you guys think? What's your favorite item in this box? Do you like the whole box like I do? Do you find really good value in it? I'd love to hear your opinions. Please leave comments below. You guys are so amazing, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Well, that's a wrap, you guys, for the Sew Sampler box for February 2026. I'm also working on another fun video for you all. Based on the top 10 tools that save time and frustration, I thought it would be fun to include a video about the tools that I thought would be awesome, and I want you to save your money because they were sort of like, eh. I still want to save you time and frustration and hopefully prevent you from buying things you don't need. And so that'll be my next video. If you guys like that idea, leave comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and keep sharing the love, sharing what you love with everyone. That's what we're here to do. Thank you for watching. Until we see you on the next one, bye for now. I don't know if you guys remember, but last year, Sew Sampler Box surprised us. They sent us a 45mm rotary crutter. Oh my God, some more bloopers. 45mm roting blade. I had some espresso. The word should be coming out. It's just not happening. Stays sharp, longer, and glides effortlessly. You think effortlessly is not easy to say with lots of other adjectives in a sentence. All right. It's especially handy for working with the small pieces in the 6-inch vintage Milkmaid Star quilt block found. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out some of my other videos here on the Quilting Camper. See you really soon.